Hey, welcome back to Dimensions DIY. Today we are building an industrial wine rack. You'll need 5 of each of the following components to make this project. Some 1/2 inch by 3.5 inch nipples with 1/2 inch caps, a 1 inch elbow, a 1 by 1 inch nipple, a 1/2 inch flange, and a 1 inch flange, along with a power drill and tape measure and 1/2 inch screws. And since we're building a wine rack, you'll need a bottle of wine for testing. First thing to do is clear your workspace. Next thing we did is test to see what angle we want our wine to sit at. Then grab your nearest tape measure. Make a mark 3 inches from the bottom of your board. Continuing up the board, making a mark every 8 inches until you have 5 marks. Using 1/2 inch screws, install the flanges on their marks. Next, we want to find that same angle we had the wine bottle at earlier, and then mark where the other flange goes. Then it's as easy as going the other direction and marking every 8 inches. Now, just install the 1/2 inch flanges. After that, install the rest of the hardware, and then test out a wine bottle again, and there you go. Perfect. Now these cast fittings can be really greasy, so we kept a wet rag on hand to clean up any grease marks. Now all we have to do is install this into our wall using a stud finder and screws. For all the products we used in this video, check the description below, and we'll see you next time on Dimensions DIY.